How to get and use Stubhub promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Stubhub promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com, as this is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Stubhub. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers: 25% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy the code, then click on Redeem at Stubhub. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your event, and then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ticket. With that, you're gonna get the discount in your ticket. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers for Stubhub. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. So this way, you can easily get and use Stubhub promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.